out at an open house, and when I leave the house, my wife's always asking, kind of what traffic we think we may have today. And truth be told, we are in a changing market. Your open house may be very slow, but if you get 1 or 2 buyers to come through, maybe more, you have an opportunity at that open house, an opportunity that you and your sellers do not have when you're sitting at your home or when you're out doing something else. Set up the open house, spend a couple hours on the weekend, put your seller, in a spot where they have a much better chance to move things forward. Showcase the house, know all the details, roof, AC, water heater, renovations, HOA fees, any special assessments. Be the knowledge broker. Give the clients a full set of information, an opportunity, spend some time with them, and most importantly, listen to what they're looking for. You can help match that with your seller and create deals. Make it a great day.